Hi y'all, I'm just getting started having some fun again, and I'm still working on downsized jean pant legs, the front pant legs, and they're not the full pant legs, they're just a portion of the pant legs. And what I'm learning how to do, what I'm practicing, is how to get zippers on. So I've already got 1, 2, and 3 using the new denim, the new 11-ounce denim, the black or the gray maybe, and then 2 blue specimens. So I'll put them over there. And I've already got this denim cut out from a thrifted pant leg. There's the zipper, the red zipper. And this is actually new denim for the fly and the fly shield. This is the fly shield already folded over and sewn together. So I'm going to put them up there with the finished ones. And what I did here, if you can see, is I traced it out, and I've got 2 pieces of 5x8, which are those. So there's 1, 2. Then I've got a 2x8. Those somehow don't look the same size to me, but nonetheless, these are 5x12. I might have to cut them down. Oh no, that's right. So these are 5x12. This is a 2x8 piece, and this is a 4x8 piece. And this 4x8 piece will be folded in half to make the fly shield. This one will be the fly, and there's the 2 pant legs. And of course I'm using a thrifted jean pant leg to make all the materials here. So that's what I'm getting started at. And hope you're having fun with your projects. And of course, having fun and staying safe is always the prime goal while we're doing our sewing experiments.